नमो पार्वती पतये हर हर
Major travel companies have suspended all packages to Turkey and Azerbaijan that extended support to Pakistan during the ongoing conflict with India. Just 3 hours after India and Pakistan announced a ceasefire, Pakistan violated the ceasefire last night, as multiple Pakistani drones were sighted in more than a dozen locations that were intercepted successfully. Even after 8 Pakistani air bases received significant damages during Indian missile strikes, that includes infrastructure equipment, several strategic aircraft like AWACS aerial tankers and even personnel, Pakistan Prime Minister has declared that the ceasefire understanding with India is a historic victory for his nation. Pakistan Prime Minister praised his military's professional and effective response, even when the Pakistani military failed to intercept Indian missiles hitting all of their strategic bases, that reportedly includes Pakistan's nuclear warhead storage, while there was no damage to Indian bases, making Indian Air Force the only air force in the world that neutralized multiple air bases of a nuclear-armed country. While speaking to the media, Pakistan Air Force spokesperson openly admitted that the Pulwama attack 2019 was planned by the Pakistani military.
Try to tell them with our tactical brilliance in Pulwama.
The Indian government has decided that India will treat any future act of terror on its soil as an act of war, and will respond accordingly. A content creator from Pakistan exposed how the Pakistani military was able to make claims of downing Rafale fighter jets.
ये ट्वीट चेक करें स्काई न्यूज की। स्काई न्यूज कहता है कि पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन ने बताया है कि हमने भारत के 2 जहाज गिरा दिए हैं। पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन कहता है कि स्काई न्यूज के मुताबिक पाकिस्तान ने इंडिया का राफेल जहाज मार गिराया है, और तस्वीर क्या चला रहे हैं वो जाली वाली। स्काई न्यूज कह रहा है कि पीटीवी ने बताया जहाज गिर गए हैं, पीटीवी कह रहा है नहीं हमें स्काई न्यूज ने बताया जहाज गिर गई। ये किसी को भी नहीं पता कि किसने किसको बताया, ठीक है? इसलिए इतना अबहम पैदा हुआ फेक तस्वीरों का।
Members of several terrorist groups along with locals came on the streets in Pakistan, which exposes that Pakistan is not a victim of terrorism and is actually the global exporter of terrorism. A video has emerged on social media that shows India's MR-SAM successfully intercepting a Pakistani ballistic missile, in which the first interceptor exploded near the target, and the second interceptor took down the damaged missile, and the missile debris went off trajectory and crashed at high speed. After seeing the effectiveness of Indian surface-to-air missile system, Turkey had requested Pakistan to not use the Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci armed drone against India. A debris from a Python 5 seeker head was discovered in Punjab, confirming India's use of Spider missile system, which fell after engaging a Pakistani armed drone. After C-130J and CN-235 aircraft, reports indicate that Indian missile strike on a Pakistani airbase in Rawalpindi has also destroyed at least 2 Pakistani IL-78 mid-air refueling tankers, and the runway will take weeks to repair. A direct missile strike on Pakistan Air Force's Bolari Air Base has resulted in the destruction of a Sub-2000 airborne early warning and control system aircraft and multiple casualties, including a squadron leader. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has virtually inaugurated the BrahMos Aerospace Integration and Testing Facility in Lucknow. A Bangladeshi intelligence officer was arrested from Bengal's Siliguri. India is fast-tracking the integration of upgraded intelligence systems, standoff weapons, and software-defined radios onto its Tejas Mark 1 IOC and FOC variants. Today's top 3 comments.